Hello, welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Jyoti Jha and this is your one-stop destination for top trending entertainment stories. Indian film Jallikattu has failed to make to the top 15 list in the Oscar race for the final award function, that is the 93rd Academy Awards, whereas in the same place Karishma Dev Dube's Bittu has made it to the top 10 list under the category of live action short film for the same 93rd Academy Awards. Rajiv Kapoor, who passed away at the age of 58, now many celebrities attended his funeral. He was cremated on the 9th of February. One important update that you all should know is that Rajiv Kapoor was planning to make a comeback with an upcoming film named Tulsi Das Jr., but which also starred Sanjay Dutt in the film, but due to his unfortunate and sudden demise, now he won't be seen in the big screen anymore. Bollywood actress Alia Bhatt, who was vacationing with her girlfriends in Maldives, has now cut short her trip and returned to Mumbai as soon as she heard the news of the passing away of Rajiv Kapoor. She was also seen attending the funeral and she was also snapped at the funeral that was taken place at the Kapoor family. Namrata Shirodkar and Mahesh Babu are trending on Twitter, and why not? They are celebrating their 15th marriage anniversary. People are wishing them on their marriage anniversary, and why they consider this couple as one of the cutest is because they both met on the sets of Vamshi in the year 2000, where they realized love at first sight, after which they dated for the few more years, and in the year 2005 they tied the knot, and now they are blessed with the two kids, that is Sitara and Gautam. Too many things happening within the Bigg Boss house. The shocking news is that Rubina Dilayak's husband Abhinav Shukla has been eliminated in the midweek, claiming that he has not been contributing a lot to the game and any activity that was taken place in the Bigg Boss house. Now, this has not been praised by many celebrities, and fans have been criticizing this move by the Bigg Boss house, and they have been saying it's really unfair to eliminate Abhinav Shukla within the midweek. Now, in 2 weeks, we will also have the latest Bigg Boss winner. More updates from Bigg Boss. Now, Rahul Mahajan, who saw that the house was really in a serious mode after the elimination of Abhinav Shukla, started cracking some jokes, pulling Rakhi's legs and telling that Rakhi used to charge rupees 12 lakh for each dance performance that she did in various films. But then she still claims that she does not have enough clothes, for which he says, what do you do with the money if you do not have enough clothes? Apart from that, he also brought in his husband's Ritesh, mysterious husband Ritesh, in the picture and said there is no Ritesh, and apparently Janelia has been calling them to check what is happening. Why is Rakhi telling Ritesh every now and then, and especially mentioning that Ritesh was already married before marrying her. Like every season, this year also Bigg Boss gave a new couple to the Bigg Boss fans. This time it was Pavitra and Aijaz Khan. Now, Aijaz Khan in a latest interview has told if things will go fine between them, then probably they might tie the knot this year, which means they might get married and marriage can be on the cards for Pavitra. Recently, Kangana Ranaut has been trending again, and this time because of the new posters and looks that she shared with her fans from her upcoming film Dhakar, where she was seen in an action avatar with a gun in her hand, and she also compared herself to Hollywood protagonists from action thriller films like Tom Cruise and Marilyn Streep. Now, people have been trolling her for comparing herself to Hollywood stars, in which people asked her how many Oscars has she won so far, for which she even replied to it and asked how many Padma Bhushan or Padma Shri or national awards are won by Marilyn Streep, for which people are again trolling her. And not just that, even Richa Chadha has given a checklist for narcissism and sociopath, and now people are comparing and connecting that Richa Chadha is indirectly responding to Kangana Ranaut's self-obsession. In Hollywood, now HBO Max is apparently coming up with a series called Generation, where it will show the struggles of the college students and the teenagers between 17, 18 and 19. But why is it in news right now is that there was apparently a shooting of a scene of a biology class where the students had to dissect an animal, for which apparently the makers, without informing the actors prior, they brought the real dead kittens and asked them to dissect it, which was a traumatic dramatic response for the actors. In fact, it is said that two of the people from the series have also left it. One camera person has tested positive for coronavirus, but the makers ignored all of this just to shoot that one scene. Well, these are the top trending entertainment stories for the day. For more such updates, like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you so much for watching.